At widespread wind damage with these thunderstorms. We could be looking at nearly 24 tornadoes on the ground, especially in northern Arkansas.
Oh my gosh! Tornado! This is Gabe, and welcome to Coffee a Tornado. Holy pure! Hank, we're at the hole, bro.
I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead-end highway, riding that storm running through my veins like
oh, we're on the green.
tailspun airplane. Scared of nothing and I'm scared to death. I can't breathe and I catch my breath, but I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead-end highway. Ain't no love in Oklahoma, just the whistle of a long black train. You'll know when
Are you kidding me?
coming for you, riding in on a wind and rain.
A little bit of a blockade here. I'm on the green apparently. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! That's insane.
I keep running, but I'm standing still. Pray for peace, but I need the thrill. So I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead-end highway. Ain't no love in
Oh my god!
just the whistle of a long black train. You'll know when it's coming for you.
Light to dark.
Wind and
Hey, good shot.